Hey there, everybody. I've just discovered a kind of super cool organizational system, and I don't know exactly how this came about. I think it came about because I'm really wanting to create, but there's not a lot of time to do it, and there's honestly not a lot of energy to do it. And I came up with this little idea using this beautiful notebook that my friend Cheryl sent me. Cheryl, thank you so much. And I put a few art supplies in an old-fashioned pen bag. You know, I love pen bags because they kind of remind me of being in school when you were a youngin', and that first day of school, and you had your little pen bag, and you had your nice pencils in it, and I've even got a sharpener in here. Do you guys remember how we used to sharpen pencils, right? We would go and you would stand in the line and you would do that manual pencil sharpener. I also remember going to the school store. You know, that was always really exciting to have a nickel to buy an eraser or buy a couple of pencils or whatever. And like I said, the aforementioned energy kind of conundrum that I'm in right now, I need some happy, and this has just kind of made me really happy. I hope it makes you happy too. So here's my little pen bag. This is my notebook. And what I've done here is I need to stand up and make sure that you guys can see this. I do have my filming lights off, you guys, because this notebook has like a shiny surface, and these have shiny surfaces as well. I put my things, and we'll go through here, into these super cool envelopes that I think that my friend Joy sent me something in. So we have a section for sketch and draw. We have a section for trace and cut. We have some substrates. Now substrates are what you build upon. I have some art trading coin circles. I have some tea dyed tags right here. Again, I think Cheryl sent these. I have, well, you know what? Let's just go through the whole book and then I'll take it out and show it to you. So substrates, images, texture, and we know from our last project with texture that textural is visual as well as tactile. So I chose elements that were visual as well as tactile. We have a blank, this is just a blank folder here. I made a folder for words, and really they aren't folders, they're more like envelopes. These are page protectors that Chris puts his lyrics in when he goes to play, and sometimes he buys new ones and kind of switches them out, and these are his old ones. They're completely, totally recycled little project here. And this envelope is all kinds of paper. In this envelope, I have large substrates. I also realized this morning that when I was cleaning out a drawer, you guys know, if you're with me at Patreon, you know my big purge project is going on, where I'm just trying to clean up and straighten up, and you know, who doesn't do that at the end of the year? I've totally lost my train of thought. Oh, I found this awesome little note from our buddy Cody. Now Cody chooses the animals that go on these envelopes. And so I have this little envelope of things from Cody, and I feel really bad because they sent this back in August, and I still have not done anything with it. So I have some elements that I can put into the book right here, and I thought that we would do that as well today. And then tomorrow I will do a video about actually using this crafty binder to do some projects. I've already listed all the projects that I could make by just using this and my pen bag. I can make art trading cards, I can make tea tags, tarot cards. You know, these are just different sizes of substrate. So a tarot card substrate, you know, I can do index cards, I can do 4x6s, 5x7s. I've already cut things to do these projects. clusters, business cards, inchies, twinchies, bookmarks, chippies, and I've got, I can flip this up and start a list on this side as well. But just for a few minutes, let's sit here and see what Cody sent. And I can probably get these things. Now, I do want to keep this horse because, did I mention Cody sent it? Hey, Cody man, how you doing out there? So, to me, the horse is an image, all right? So, let's flip to our little image envelope here. And we can stick this in. We've already got, I think, a duck, and I've got an envelope in here from Miss Kathy, and it's got all kinds of really cool images that she clipped out. This would be cool. This is an image of, I think those are ladybugs, but I'm not quite sure. I don't have my glasses on. Now, we come to something like that, and that's a tactile kind of texture, right? So we're going to put that in our little texture envelope right here. And if you guys are interested, I will go through each of these envelopes and show you what I have in here as I'm building them. Something right there. This is words and letters and numbers and things like that. This is really cool. That's a crab, and it looks like a fox. So more in the image kind of envelope that we have going on. So let's flip back here. I really appreciate y'all kind of being patient with me. It has just been a really challenging year. I think it's been challenging for everybody. And we have had physical challenges, we've had mental challenges, we've had illnesses, we've had hospitalizations, we've had it all this year. These to me are kind of substrate-ish, so I'm going to put those in my small substrates right here. So I'm just going to put those right in there. It's kind of substrate-ish as well. Okay, and now I've got even more of these awesome images. I just love them. So let's flip over to images. This is a way to, and maybe you can start your own little binder and be able to kind of do your end of the year purging and organization by using something like this. For me, it's working. I also find things that work for me for a little while, and then it's like, that's not working for me anymore. I think it's really good to develop that kind of flexibility so you know what's working, what ain't working, and then kind of, and sometimes you get angry at yourself and you say, well, I spent a lot of time on that organization system and it's just not working for me anymore. It's okay. Don't get angry with yourself. Recognize that you did a great job and now you're ready to do a great job in a different sort of organization. To me, these are substrates. I'm going to put those in the substrate. This is a bookmark, so I can use, look. Lucky Charms. What did that guy say? Oh, I can't remember exactly what the quote was. What did the Lucky Charms guy say? Anyway, it's gone out of my head now. I just wanted to introduce you to the book today. I hope you found it interesting. And tomorrow I am going to go through here and we'll just do some projects. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope that your year, as it ends, will be a delight to you and a wonder to those around you. I love you all. See you later. Bye.